Miro is a cloud-based collaborative whiteboard platform used for brainstorming, project management, and visual planning. Miro's PDF export feature lets you share static versions of your dynamic boards for presentations, reports, or archiving. This video covers how to export your boards, focusing on page size, scale, and quality to achieve the best results. We'll also discuss recent updates, including AI-powered optimizations, ensuring your exports look professional and crisp. Here you can see the interface for saving as PDF, highlighted in the menu. To start the PDF export process, first log into Miro and open the board you want to export. Next, locate the File menu in the top navigation bar of the Miro interface. From the File menu, select Export and then choose PDF from the available export options. You'll then choose whether to export the entire board or specific frames. Selecting frames allows you to focus on key sections or presentations within your larger Miro board. This is the first step in tailoring your PDF export. Next, configure the page size. You can choose from predefined options like A4, letter, or legal, or enter custom dimensions. Select the orientation, portrait or landscape, to best fit your board's layout. For large format printing, you can specify sizes up to 100 inches. This step ensures your board fits your intended output format, whether digital or print. Choose from predefined options like A4, letter, or legal. These standard sizes match common printing and display needs. For custom needs, enter specific width and height dimensions in inches or millimeters. Select orientation, portrait for vertical layouts or landscape for horizontal content. For large format printing, specify sizes up to 100 inches to accommodate big displays or banners. Scale adjustments are crucial for PDF exports in Miro. Fit to Page scales the entire board to fit within the selected page dimensions. For more control, use Custom Scale with percentage values. Miro now offers vector-aware scaling, preserving line weights and text clarity when zooming. Adjusting scale avoids distortion, ensuring legibility in detailed diagrams. Note the AI-powered Smart Export introduced in 2025, which helps with this. Quality settings in Miro PDF exports are determined by DPI, or dots per inch. This measures how many dots are packed into each inch of your exported document, affecting sharpness and detail. Low quality at 72 DPI is ideal for quick sharing on digital screens, where file size is more important than perfect clarity. Standard quality at 150 DPI provides a good balance between file size and clarity, suitable for most general purposes. High quality at 300 DPI is perfect for professional printing, ensuring crisp details and sharp images. Ultra high quality at 600 DPI or more is used for professional printing and benefits from AI upscaling for enhanced detail. Keep in mind that higher quality settings produce larger file sizes. Miro also supports exports up to 4K resolution for maximum detail. Miro's AI-powered Smart Export feature analyzes your board's content and automatically suggests optimal page size, scale, and quality settings. This intelligent system reduces manual adjustments and saves time by recommending the best configurations for crispness and clarity. For example, in the export interface, the AI suggests vector scaling for diagrams to preserve crispness, high resolution for images, and optimal page sizes that fit your specific board layout. The AI performs content-aware analysis of your board. For instance, in this workflow diagram, it detects interconnected elements, preserves text and sticky notes, and optimizes settings to maintain clarity across the entire layout. The AI enhances export quality, ensuring your PDFs look professional with crisp text, clear diagrams, and optimal resolution up to 4K for detailed boards. Beyond the basic settings, Miro offers additional export options to customize your PDF output. You can choose to include or exclude the board background in your export, helping to maintain the original visual context. For large boards, export them as multiple PDF pages, ensuring all content is captured without compression. Add custom watermarks to your PDFs for branding or security purposes. These options are accessible through the Export menu in Miro's interface. Miro integrates seamlessly with popular cloud storage platforms. Export directly to Google Drive for easy sharing and collaboration. Connect to Microsoft OneDrive for secure cloud storage. These integrations streamline your workflow by saving time on manual uploads. After exporting, Miro enables direct embedding into other tools. Directly embed exported PDFs into Atlassian Confluence pages for seamless documentation. This integration enhances team collaboration and knowledge sharing. Miro also supports accessibility and environmental considerations. Add accessibility tags like alt text to images for better usability. Use low ink preview options to reduce printing costs and environmental impact. These features make Miro exports more inclusive and eco-friendly. Always test exports with previews to ensure fidelity. Before finalizing your PDF export, use Miro's preview feature to check how your board will appear in the static format. Complex boards may require adjustments to scaling and quality. For boards with many elements or detailed diagrams, experiment with scale percentages and quality settings to maintain clarity without exceeding file limits. Pay attention to image compression and consider embedding fonts for consistency. Compressed images may lose detail, so choose higher quality settings. Embed fonts to ensure text appears correctly across different devices and viewers. Be aware of the 500 megabyte file size limit per export. Large boards may need to be split into multiple exports or compressed further to stay within this limit. For hands-on practice, refer to Miro's official tutorials at help.miro.com. These resources provide detailed guides and examples to help you master PDF exports.